As I'm curious about ChatGPT's culinary skill, I asked it to generate a recipe inspired by the beloved Genshin Impact character Ganyu. It said it's for her love of vegetarian dishes, inspired by her heritage, and features frostflake-like tofu to represent her Cryo ability. Ready to uncover the outcome? Here's how it's done. Gently simmer vegetable broth. Add trimmed snow peas, sliced shiitake mushrooms, sliced bamboo shoots, chopped baby bak chai, and cook for 5 minutes. Next, sauté grated ginger and minced garlic in sesame oil to make a mixture. Add it to the pot along with soy sauce and rice vinegar and stir everything together. Cut the firm tofu into 0.6 cm equilateral triangles and submerge them carefully in the soup for 5 minutes. Finally, season the soup to taste. As I had no idea how to form frost flakes with triangle tofu, so with no hesitation, I asked ChatGPT to give me more and more details and instructions until I could visualize the plating in my mind. My favorite part of the dish is the cilantro. It not only provided a fresh pop of the green since most veggies lost their color after being cooked, but also brought the dish the illusion of delicate snowflake structures. Taste-wise, I'm surprised that it turns out to be a very tangy and savory soup. I would assume Ganyu would prefer something more earthy and plain. It reminded me of the hot and sour soup, but without the spiciness. The snow pea is an unaccepted ingredient, but I bet they were chosen for the name, Snow, to reflect Ganyu's icy power. The recipe not only looked professional and realistic, but it is also practical to make. Now the big question is, would Ganyu love this soup? Well, I could never imagine that I will wear this costume ever again, and it's not for Halloween or Comic-Con.